Mrs. Parsley here to see my favorite student, that is you. We are going to do one more thing with a sphere and some pieces from the wooden puzzle. These can be anything really, just so that they can be identified by shape or color is all. So I want you to throw that and see if you can knock that red guy off the table. Throw it or roll it. Oh, I love that you're using both hands together too. This is nice. Oh, yeah. Try it again. Try again. Red one. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah, get a little closer. Woo! He fell over. Perfect. So there's one game you can do. Now, let's say for your non-ambulatory kids. Yeah. So I'm going to just put this ball in his hands or on his lap or on his tray. Push it to me. Just push it to me. There you go. Now I'm going to throw it back. He may catch it, he may not. It may just catch on the chair. And he may have to roll it off of his legs or roll it off of his arms and just barely let go of it. But that's fine because what you're looking for is the movement there.